Hello friends, I am Tushar. Welcome to my channel. I am here to help you in your studies and amplify your opportunities in the education. SPPU is conducting online and offline examination for BE students of academic year 2019-20. The examination will be of 50 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice type and each question will be of 1 mark. The student can attempt maximum 60 questions. This MCQ practice test series of subject advanced manufacturing processes is prepared in collaboration with Professor P.S. Talmale by Tushar Badgujar Online to support students for their final year examination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so when I upload a new video in this series, you will get notified. In this video, we are discussing Unit 2 of 2015 syllabus pattern. Friction welding produces welds due to electrode melting, workpiece melting, relative motion between workpieces, adhesive force between workpieces, particle, and the answer is C. Relative motion between workpieces. In friction welding, material is deformed due to elastic deformation, plastic deformation, ductile deformation, brittle deformation, and the answer is B. Plastic deformation. Which of the following is true about friction welding? One workpiece is held stationary while the other is moving. Both the workpieces are moving. Both the workpieces are stationary and filler is added in the space between them. The material is deformed elastically. And the answer is A. One workpiece is held stationary while the other is moving. During friction welding, initial low pressure is applied. Why? For slowly increasing the surface temperature, for melting the surface coating on the materials, to check weldability of two materials, for initial cleaning of the surface. And the answer is D. For initial cleaning of the surface. After the welding temperature is reached, rotation is stopped, speed of rotation is increased, rotation of first workpiece is stopped and second workpiece starts rotating, filler material is added. And the answer is A. Rotation is stopped. By friction welding, steel bars up to dash dash mm diameter can be welded. 10 mm, 50 mm, 100 mm, 210 mm. And the answer is 100 mm. Inertia welding is a modified form of friction welding. True or false? And the answer is true. Which of the following is not true about inertia welding? Weld is formed when the flywheel stops. The process is difficult for automation, weld quality is consistent, parts remain in contact even after the weld is completed. And the answer is B. The process is difficult for automation. Which of the following materials cannot be welded by friction welding? Aluminum, copper, stainless steel, non-forgeable materials. And the answer is D. Non-forgeable materials. Aluminum is difficult to friction weld because of ductility, softness, microporosity, heat reflectivity. And the answer is C. Microporosity. Which of the following processes can be used as alternative technique for joining aluminum and its alloys? Tungsten inert gas welding, friction stir welding, metal inert gas welding, oxyacetylene flame technique. And the answer is B. Friction stir welding. All metallic engineering materials which are dash dash can be friction welded. Soft, weldable, forgeable, metal materials. And the answer is forgeable. Friction welding produces quality joints with 100% dash dash weld. Lap joint, T joint, edge joint, butt joint. And the answer is butt joint, T. Dash dash generate during friction welding is coherent. Burr, molten metal, flash curl, fly ash. And the answer is flash curl, C. Which of the following is not the advantage of friction welding? No smoke generation during the process, applicable for all forgeable metals, less sparks are produced during this process, time saving process. And the answer is B. Applicable for all forgeable metals. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.